Hello, good people. Welcome back. It's only me. We've been doing a bit on the rover. I'll show you what we've been up to. Before we do that, however, there's a couple of mentions to a couple of my subscribers, in particular, Big Paul 62. He advised that we should be wearing a mask when we are doing lead work, which is perfectly the right thing to do. I was wearing a mask, not that you saw. Anything like that, please make sure you're using the right PPE equipment. And the second one is Alan Armstrong. He was or had noticed that when I did the primer on the back wing, there was on the inside edge a vibration pad, if you like, and when he stripped his back, he did find a load of rust underneath it, and suggested maybe I have a look. And sure enough, I've got the photo somewhere in this video. Bang to rights, there was rust underneath the vibration pad. So heat gun as per usual, and sharp chisel, off it came, and about half of it was covered in quite a lot of surface rust, and well worth doing. So that's all been repaired, so thanks to Alan for that one. People are watching the videos, which is pretty cool. Please comment. I don't mind to try and answer most of them that I can, and I'll leave you with the rest of the video. Enjoy.
I'll just prep this piece up. We're just going to fill in this last little bit of the wheel arch tub, the last little bit to go here. Because of the nature of that, I'm going to have to do a lap weld. So I'm going to bug weld all the way down there, and then the same here, bug weld and weld down that soon in the next. It's all prepped up. We got primer on that side, some well through primer down here. So it should be alright with sub welding. And yeah, just get it on.
So this is what we've been up to. I've got most of that, well, if not all now. The wheel arch tub all welded up, looking good. Fixed the hole over there, all solid. Round on the inside. Just move that for a second. You can see down there we've got, I don't know if you can see, I've done a plate down there. I've got a stiffener plate just there that's been welded in, just got to be primered up and whatever. That's all welded in. So it's all looking pretty solid. All ready to put this D-post back together. Now, unfortunately, we did say in an earlier video that the replacement D-post does not fit at all, and it's pretty horrendous, to be honest. I managed to get hold of this piece, however. That's been on waiting for it to come back in stock. But even that doesn't fit particularly well where it's supposed to on the D-post. So there's going to be a lot of manipulating there. Having got that now, I don't have to be so critical about the original piece. So all I'm interested in is getting enough material off the new part to fill in the bottom, up that bit there, and then up that bit there. Quite how I'm going to do it as yet, I've not really sussed it out. But yeah, that will be next, trying to sort this little mess out and try and get this D-post wrapped up for good, so we can then move on to the other side pretty much.